Yeah, I guess more than 1,000 points on the Dow has to be worth something in the order. I mean, what a crazy volatile day. And of course, we closed at the highs of the session, which always makes people feel good, especially in light of what happened yesterday. This idea that President Trump is considering, or rather launched the idea in a meeting this afternoon, of that zero payroll tax cut for the rest of this year, certainly giving this added boost to the markets, if you like. As far as the groups that really supported the markets the most, you had some of those consumer names, you had financials and tech. I'll just remind you that yesterday financials was one of the biggest declining, the weights, if you like, on the market. Of course, all those concerns about cheaper oil, what that meant for some of those shale oil producers, and then the banks that finance them. So today, a little bit of a relief rally, especially for tech and financials. Plus, I want to mention quickly the airline sector, because of course we have been following this in the context of the coronavirus. More than a few companies have cut capacity. American is one, Delta is another. Delta actually saying it is putting in place a hiring freeze, and also, as I mentioned, cutting capacity both domestically and internationally. They are also doing something called fogging. So what this is, it's a process. They go in, it's kind of like a super clean inside the plane. They say, obviously, that their own staff's health is of utmost importance, as are the people who are flying in the planes. And of course, those capacity cuts match what we heard from United and JetBlue last week. Melissa, back to you.
Once again, why don't we do the fogging all the time? More of these cleaning procedures that would be awesome to be permanent. Deirdre, thank you.